Side and welcome back to my channel Sci-Tech. In today's I'll try to do the 4G data speed test comparison between the iQOO versus the Realme X7 Max, but using the Airtel SIM card. Yes friends, so finally I did bought the Airtel SIM card because a lot of users did ask me to use the Airtel SIM card to try the 4G speed test, whether we'll be getting more in the iQOO or not. That is what I'm going to test right now. So I did buy the Airtel SIM. Let's see friends whether that's the case or not. So there's one Airtel SIM at this moment, so I'll try to use the first testing in the iQOO 7 device, and then I'll try to test in the Realme X7 Max smartphone, as you can see friends. So let's see which phone will be able to have the better kind of 4G place and 4G signals. That is the one main point, and I'll try to focus on mainly on the speed test as well. Let's see which phone will be able to pick this kind of high speeds. And one more quick note, this is an extreme indoor type situation which I'm trying to do right now friends. So this is in my studio environment I'm trying to do. I thought of just informing you before actually starting the video. As you can see clearly this is a Airtel SIM. As you can see friends, let me go to the settings. As you can see the Airtel SIM card has been here, APN settings, as you can see here clearly, which is the Airtel SIM card which is right now in the iQOO 7 device. So after getting plenty of requests, so try to use the Airtel SIM and Airtel SIM and Airtel SIM. So finally I bought the Airtel SIM, so which has got the bandwidth of, as you can see, LTE 2300. There is no 4G place in my inside studio. I'll try to check outside as well later on, but at this moment I did not get any kind of 4G place inside my studio in this iQOO 7 device. I'll try to test even in the Realme X7 Max, because this is my first video which I'm trying to test on the Airtel SIM, because even I'm not sure where in which location I'll be getting the 4G aggregation. And this is the RX monitor application in case if you want to take a look. As you can see there is no carrier aggregation here, and I'm not getting any kind of 4G place as well. Let's see what speeds I can actually expect in this kind of condition, in the indoor condition. That is what I'm trying to see right now. Let me have to quickly start the test, and I'll try to do the test for 3 times, so which is kind of routine kind of test which I'm trying to do right now. So let's see how much speeds we can actually expect. So my Jio SIM card in this kind of location can get up to I think close to maybe 10 Mbps and 11 Mbps. Sometimes I'll be getting the Jio SIM card, and the V SIM card which goes up to 50 Mbps. The V SIM in my location, that's really good in terms of the signals. But in the Airtel SIM, as you can clearly see friends, 6 Mbps I'm trying to get in this phone. As I said, this is an extreme indoor type situation. That is the reason you're trying to see this kind of low scores. So I'll try to do even the outdoor test as well. So outdoor and extreme village type test. So make sure to check this video friends, in case if you haven't checked extreme village types. So I did went to the outskirts of the city to record particular this kind of shot. Let me do the test second time. I'll try to do the test as I said 3 times, and 3 times I'll try to check which phone has got the maximum speed. That is what I'll try to see. And on the top you can see friends, 2300 band I'm trying to get in this Airtel SIM right now. So right now it went up to 10 Mbps and 11 Mbps, and there is no 4G place coming. So there is no 4G place. So the phone supports the 4G place. That's actually perfect. But in this location, the Airtel SIM, I think it's not supported. But we will get to know after I keep the SIM in the Realme X7 Max, because Realme X7 Max can get a 4G place everywhere if it's available. But I did have problems only with the iQOO 7 device in terms of the 4G place. That is only the thing. So that is the reason a lot of users, they did advise me to use only the Airtel SIM. Try with the Airtel SIM, maybe you might get the 4G place. But let's see what will happen. And make sure to type in the YouTube friends, in the 4G place Sci-Tech Guru. You will get all my videos which I uploaded recently going into the extreme outdoor village type testing as well. So those videos will be really interesting to watch. So right now for the 3rd time I'm doing the test, which I got about I think close to scores of I think 6 Mbps and not much, 7 Mbps. As you can see friends, 7 Mbps score, and before 8 Mbps and 6 Mbps. So 7, 8 and 6 Mbps are the scores which got recorded in the iQOO 7 device. So let's see friends how much the Realme X7 Max gonna have that kind of speed. I'll try to use the same SIM card. I'll try to transfer the same SIM card in this phone in the real time in front of the camera. So let's see friends what will happen. As you can see, these are the results. I'll try to keep these results open, and it is a SIM card. Let me quickly open. So this is my first Airtel SIM which I bought only because of the reviews. A lot of users, they asked me to do. So that is the reason I did buy this kind of Airtel SIM at this moment. Let me open this SIM tray from the Realme X7 Max. So there is no other SIM card in this SIM tray, as you can clearly see friends. And I did use the SIM 1 in the iQOO 7 device. A lot of people even they did say that try to use the SIM 1 to get the 4G place. So right now I'm trying to keep in the Realme X7 Max same SIM card. So let's see what 4G place whether it's available or not in my location. We'll get to know straight away after looking at the signals. Let me turn on the 4G. Yes, absolutely. As you can see friends, that's shocking. You can see clearly the live proof. Same Airtel SIM I did put in the iQOO device, and same Airtel SIM I used in the Realme X7 Max, and the Realme X7 Max I was able to get the 4G place. As you can see, friends, still the same old story which is repeating when I use the Jio SIM card. Let me try to open the NetMonster application to show you what is happening. In the NetMonster application, it's not showing any kind of band, 4G place or nothing, but let me try to show you the RX Monitor application. Sometimes the RX Monitor application shows you the clear results, as you can see. 2CA, which is clearly, you can see, friends, the live proof which we got right now. 4G place which has come in the Realme X7 Max, and which did not present in the iQOO device in this extreme indoor type situation. You can clearly see that. So what is happening, and let me try to open the Speedtest application. So this is a problem going on, friends, for some of the users, that when they buy the iQOO device, sometimes the SIM actually it will support 4G place, but the phone is not detecting the 4G place. As you can see the speeds, how much I'm getting the 4G place signals. So it went up to 10 Mbps as well. So even though it has got like extreme indoor type situation, but still the speeds are slightly higher, slightly, but not much. But let's see, in the 3 times testing we'll get to know what will be the results. In case if you want me to do the download test as well, I can do that kind of testing, friends, download speed test. But this is just my first video on the using the Airtel SIM. That is the reason I just thought of checking this 4G aggregation, what is happening. You can clearly see the proof. So definitely, friends, as soon as you got the mobile phone, you need to test this kind of thing. Once, let me try to change the server. So I'm not sure why it's selected. Let me try to select this kind of server. Same server which has come in this phone. That is what I think, Airtel broadband. Let me try to select that kind of server only. That is another thing. Yeah, it's a Airtel broadband, as you can see. Same server I'm trying to select. Even some users, they do concern about this one as well, what servers I'm trying to use. That is the reason I'm trying to use the same servers to show you what will happen if I'm trying to use the same server. And the speeds are going up to 8 and 9 and 8.9.5, 10 Mbps, close to 10, 10 Mbps of speeds. As you can see, friends, in the Realme X7 Max, and the upload speeds are really amazing, 7 Mbps and 6 Mbps I'm getting. And whereas iQOO went up to only, I think, 1 and 2 Mbps, only 1 Mbps, not even 2. As you can see the upload speeds. So these are the differences, friends. Definitely you will be experiencing this kind of things, the connectivity problems. It doesn't happen in every location and with every SIM. So only it happens in the few locations. So in the extreme indoor condition, this is a situation, friends. 18 Mbps of speeds I'm getting here, as you can see, 18 Mbps of speeds, and this phone reached only 8 Mbps of speeds. So we will get to know when we download. When I do the download test, maybe in the download test we'll get to know complete details. So we'll come into that kind of conclusion after doing the download test. I'll try to download the 100 MB file in both phones using the same Airtel SIM. Then we can decide, friends. And thank you for watching this video, and just a normal video which I thought of doing by using the Airtel SIM card. Till now I did not try, and these are the final result after trying. As you can clearly see here. So 11 Mbps, 10 Mbps and 8 Mbps, 6, 8 and 6. You can clearly see the difference between the both phones. So thank you, friends, for watching this video, and in case if you want me to do any other comparison, definitely I'll try to do the comparison. But it's really shocking that Jio SIM and the Airtel SIM, both SIMs in this location, I cannot get the 4G place. Maybe that band is not supported, I think, in this iQOO device. That is the reason. So this must be a problem with a lot of other users as well. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.